If Amelia was here, I would ask her, did you always know you wanted to become a pilot? If not, how did it come about?
Anna, I was older than you are when I discovered I wanted to be a pilot. I discovered flight at age 20 at a flight show as a passenger. I flew for only minutes, but flight became and stayed a lifelong passion instantly. But I also knew I wanted a college education and a career. I enrolled in Columbia University and later even Harvard. But Anna, I never completed a degree. Between ages 26 and 28, I suffered from despair, could not decide what to do, what career to pursue. Then I found social work with Syrian and Chinese immigrants, and once again I found my bearings. I was good at my work, Anna, and I loved it, but I continued my passion of flying, and I'm so glad I did, because then, when I was 28, I was selected to be the first woman to fly as a passenger across the entire Atlantic. But I saw an opportunity of a lifetime and I grabbed it. And I'm glad I did, because I went on to realize my dreams, sharing them with the world, with my audiences, through my lectures, my newsreels, my writings, and my flying. Anna, pursue your dreams. Pursue your dreams.
Another question I would ask her would be, you must have known a lot about airplanes. How did you learn?
I did know a lot about airplanes, Anna. I learned in practical ways. In my youth, I learned about engines by working on truck engines. I took a course in auto repair in my past that helped too. During my flying career, I worked alongside Lockheed factory personnel as they built my planes, my Vega and later my Electra. Hands-on, asking questions, filling in the answers, and storing this knowledge in my brain for when I need it. And Anna, I intimately knew those two planes. If I heard a clink or a clank, I knew how to handle it. Or I went to the resources that I built over time, such as my expert pilot friends or my flight instructors, or I researched what to do. Because Anna, you cannot accomplish what you set out to do without mastering the necessary skills.